a snow day.
Snow day, here we go. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at my Jeep. It's covered with snow. Oh. There's Tim's car. There's Crick's car. There's my car. And there's the house. Let's look up and down the street. Let's go up this hill. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Whoa! I fell down in the snow. Jeez. There's my Jeep. There's the house. Good shot of my Jeep. Right there.
Okay, we're in Jim Toten's car, ladies and gentlemen, and we are looking down. Yep. We are looking down MacArthur Boulevard and doing a whole scan of the whole nature scene around MacArthur and Q. We are attempting to go downtown to Georgetown. You think you're up for it, Jim?
This is gonna be cool. Where's the skis?
I think he is up for it.
Look, there's some people out there. They'll be walking over there.
There's someone walking, braving the weather.
Where's the homeless guy selling the newspaper? That's what I want to know. 35. I think we can maintain it.
Here we go. I don't think we can maintain 35. Okay, we're going down Georgetown. Going down M Street. We're looking at people. There we go. Hi. Waving to all the shops.
Look at all these people.
Look at this pan. We're panning across. A lot of cars, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of cars.
Look at this shot down Georgetown. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
It's a little blurry. Is there a focus or anything?
Is it a focus?
It's a little out of focus.
Probably can't hang.
Okay, shot directly down Georgetown. Look at that guy in the middle of the street.
Is it focus or is it so blurry? Is it going in or out?
Yeah, it's going in and out a little bit.
Shit.
Unless it's me.
No, it's not going in and out. Stop.
Okay, we're back. A little technical difficulty.
Look for some food that's open.
Food.
Burrito Brothers, I see a sign.
Burrito Brothers. Could be open for a giant burrito.
Oh, they're open.
There's people in the middle of the street up here.
Pizza, Georgetown Bagelry.
Go to Pizza Uno. I'm looking at Pizza Uno.
Where's Pizza Uno?
It's up here on the left, isn't it? Pizza Uno.
It's so fucking cool.
Random people all over. Looking up Wisconsin. Can't really see. Jim, look at all the people on the street.
So cool.
This is havoc.
This is rad. Hi.
I mean, dogs and cats living together. Total havoc.
There's dogs in the street. Look at this. Some good looking people out here.
Good looking chicks. Look at the little dog. We're looking at chicks too.
This is awesome. This guy's stuck. I wish I had a rope. If I had a big rope, I'd be able to pull some people out. Look at the street. That's how you
Had someone stuck. Tempting to think they have four-wheel drive.
They're going for it.
They're getting out though.
We need to go out and help them?
Okay, we're coming up towards Pennsylvania Avenue. We got a bus on the right stuck. We got some people running in front of us. Looks like they're gonna hit us.
Gas station, that's a little close.
We're looking for a gas station. We're running out of gas.
They're open.
Ooh, the gas station's open. He's nailing it with a snowball.
Yeah.
Look at their fighting.
Georgetown. Georgetown in the snow. Getting gas. Oh, Tim K's getting out of the Jeep.
The eagle has landed. We're gonna piss out.
Oh, he's going to take a leak and go write your name in the snow, all right?
Sure,
Little snow blowing action over here. People walking around. Car. What's all in there?
There's the Washington Monument. We're getting close to the White House. Shooting down here, scanning the whole area. Do a slow scan by. There's the Christmas tree. I can get it. Yep, there's the Christmas tree. Coming towards the White House. Kind of the back side.
You see the White House here, Sarah?
Trying
Shooting video. Oh, the White House.
to get the White House.
Oh, fucking cool.
There it is. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Look at the suburban. Cool. Their socks is outside.
Up on the rooftop. Deep up here.
It's up to my knee.
Oh, maybe that's why we don't have news source.
Why?
Because the snow is. Ooh. Look at the uplink.
Sorry. Like caked in here too.
Snow in a dish. Snow on a feed. That could be a reason why we don't have shit. And how's this stuff up here? This stuff works.
Okay, we're back on M Street.
Babes, aren't there?
Sit up so I don't get that window. There's some babes. Wave to the camera. Everyone's walking around. Patching out. We're attempting to go up where Jim used to live. We're gonna get stuck. I don't know, we're going by the post office. The post office is right there. He's coming up on the right. Nice quaint plot and everything.
Great, look at that. Place to live, man. I could be stuck in this shit right now. My alley.
There's the alley.
These are my old neighbors around.
Coming up. Throwing up the
Wow,
stairs.
look at this.
Gary's car is buried on the right and left. I can't keep it steady.
in the fucking dark.
What is there to check out, though?
I don't know. Cars.
Bars. My heart.
We're getting clouds. Great balls. What's that?
Seafood.
What's going on there? It's happening. What do you think, Tim?
It's pretty exciting stuff.
Cool.
Seafood. I think it's time to make the cut.
Skating on M Street.
Well, Liz, you put it properly. New meetings over at government shutdown. I like that. It is very real. This was the third worst snowstorm in Washington history, and it's going to take days to recover. Good guilty of bad pizza.
Bad pizza's better than no pizza.
Well, I didn't say it. In an emergency, I eat.
Gary, where are we going?
The shops. Fast food at the shop. Unless we get run over by the fever.
Look at this, even UPS delivers in the snow.
Did you see how they got Free Willy to Oregon on a UPS plane? Yeah, that was wild.
There's the Bureau. Oh, you missed me! Oh! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. We're at the shop. Going to eat.
We're going to do a short one.
I'm ready.
Do you know if we have any Paula Jones in the file? Yeah. Or office? It's not a news source. That press conference you gave her? Unfortunately, there's very little of it when we're walking. You know, there's not a lot of walking. But I seem to remember we were able to.
Ice is fun.
Rolling.
Action. Oh, I'm on low fuel drive. No shit. No wonder it's so easy.
Look, there's like snow. It's like somebody plowed here. This guy's trying to get out.
Shaved in months.
We got box. Look at it. What's this? You gotta go left.
What?
There it is.
We're gonna go around and go left? No, I'm gonna get stuck. Let's get it back out.
What's she gonna do here? Honey. Honey.
She knows she's that good.
Oh, spinning. We're spinning.
She's looking at us.
We're fucking out of here.
Freak's out of control.
Everybody's digging their shit out.
Mondays for real.
Everybody's gotta go to work Monday. Oh, Martin Luther King Day also gotta work.
Monday's Labor Day though. Or
Martin Luther King.
Day.
Martin Luther King.
So fine, no one's gonna go to work. It's only a 3-day weekend.
There's our street. Elliot.
There it is.
Ooh.
Jeez, fuckload of cars.
Yeah, this snow is melted by Monday. Back to the infamous crime.
Okay.
Scene of the crime.
Turn off for all that.
There's somebody trying to dig their stuff out. And
Here it is.
there it is.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Totally stuck. Totally. He's almost got it. It's like you're on a treadmill. Doesn't it look like it? Push him. Yeah, it's almost coming out. Should I go forward? You're not getting out, man. There's no way. Jim, no way. Forget it, let's go eat. Let's go eat, man. You gotta dig out around your tires. Look at, there's nothing under your car. We dug out all the snow. It's just you're in a hole. carts in a hole.
Well, we camped out here till about April.
And whose car made it through Blizzard 96? There she is. Beautiful.
You're a rookie. Your car sat out most of the blizzard. What?
This side's cool.
You could get if that left side.